BIBO's lovely family. BIBO the bear is getting ready to go to a big wedding. All of his family members are going too. There's BIBO's mom. She is short. Mom's really cuddly, says BIBO. Then there's BIBO's dad, who is tall. I have to jump high to hug Dad, says BIBO. There's BIBO's grandma. She is short and thin. And there's BIBO's grandpa. He is tall and round. There is also BIBO's very little brother, Baby Bear. He's tiny. BIBO's family members are all very different in shape and size. He loves each one of them very